Hi, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have 3 topics for you. First up, we're talking about the federal tax credit for 2024 for installing new windows. Next up, we're defining the term eaves. And lastly, we have a This or That Volume 7 Home Remodeling Edition. Stay tuned. This or That Home Renovations Volume 7. Double hung windows or casement windows?
Well, a double hung window is a type of window that goes up and down. The casement window is the window that cranks out. What I like about a casement window is there's no center rail, so there's no obstruction if you have a nice view that you want to be able to see from in your home. So I would go with the casement.
For a new home addition, would you rather do a mini split system or a heat pump?
That's a great question. If it's a small addition like a sunroom and it's only one room, I would go with the mini split system because it can cool the entire room. If the addition covers several rooms, a bathroom, a bedroom, maybe another room, it would be better to have ductwork put in, and that's when you'd have to go ahead and get a heat pump.
And would you prefer a garage or a shed?
My choice is both. I like a garage to park the car, but I want a shed for my lawnmower and all my lawn tools. Otherwise, my garage just becomes a shed. So my choice is a garage for the car, shed for the tools.
Last week on Ask the Contractor, we talked about the federal tax credit for doors. But is there a federal tax credit in 2024 for windows? John, can you tell us about it?
Sure. The good news is there is a tax credit. You have to purchase Energy Star Most Efficient Certified Windows. If you do, you can get a tax credit up to 30% of the product cost, not the installation, just the product cost, and it maxes out at $600.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is eaves. John, can you tell us what eaves are?
Sure. An eave is the lowest part of a A-frame roof, a roof shaped like this. And then the lowest part, it is flat, it goes across horizontally. That is the eave. Typically, gutters are attached on the eave. That's the easiest way to identify an eave.
We hope you found this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to our page. Thanks and have a great day.